Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. You see me, guys. I am at Walmart, Wally World, and I just came to get a couple of rebates so that I can get my mid-week bonus. So we're going to be doing some new deals. We're going to be doing some old deals. So before we get started, as always, I need you guys to give me some thumbs up. I need you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And let's get ready to save. Alrighty guys, so are you ready? Are you ready to do our first deal? So before we get started, remember, subscribe to my video, hit that bell so that you can make sure that you get notified for every new video that I put up. That way you don't miss out on any of the secret savings, all the codes, and everything else that I have to share with you to save money. So guys, before we do this deal, I need you to know that you will need some insert coupons to do these deals, as well as the Ibotta app. So if you have not downloaded the Ibotta app, no worries. I'm going to put the link in both the description box as well as the comments. And I will put my code, because guys, we can save together. The first time that you redeem an offer, you get some special bonuses. You're also going to need the Fetch app. So I'm going to put the link to Fetch in there also. When you scan your first receipt, it could be any receipt at all. You're going to get a total of 2,000 points, which actually equals $2. So guys, get ready to save. Get your inserts out. Download Ibotta, download Fetch, and let's get ready to save. So our first deal that we're going to do is going to be on the multi-grain Cheerios. And that's with the real strawberry. So make sure that you grab the correct cereal. It is the family size, and it's $3.64. Now, some people have some dollar pillies. I couldn't find those, so I'm fine with that because I do have a $1 off coupon for 2 boxes. The pillies, I believe, are $1 per box, which would make it even cheaper, but I don't have that, so I have this coupon, which does not expire for a while. So that's going to bring these down. I'm going to get 2 boxes, and they're $3.74 each. But I'm going to submit this to Ibotta, and Ibotta has a $1 rebate off. So that's going to be a total of $3 that I'm going to have off of that. And then guys, if you submit this to Fetch, you're going to get another $1 off per box. Now, I've already submitted mine. I don't know if it's still active or not, but I'm still going to submit it. And if so, if you use the $1 coupon as well as your rebates from Ibotta and your rebate from Fetch, 1 box is going to be $1.14. But I'm going to grab 2 because my coupon says $1 off 2 boxes. So I'm going to get 2 boxes of multi-grain Cheerios with strawberries for $2.28. I'm fine with that. I think that's a great deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that, and I'm going to move on. Guys, I did put my Fetch code up there for you to have. Again, remember, when you scan your first receipt, it can be any receipt at all. It doesn't have to be a receipt that you use the coupon and things. It could be a receipt from the gas station, a receipt from a restaurant. You're going to get 2,000 points. That is equal to $2, and you use those points to buy gift cards, to shop and pay for things. And then you just start scanning your coupon. Start scanning your receipts when you coupon, and you get even more. So we're going to move on to our next deal, guys. Okay guys, so here's our next deal, which is the Bio Boost. I know a lot of you guys have been having a hard time finding this. I've done this deal again, so this is a repeat deal. But I know a lot of you guys weren't able to take advantage of this one because you couldn't find it. Well, guys, I couldn't find it either. I just stumbled onto it by mistake. I was going up the aisle, wasn't paying attention, and I started coming around the corner and almost bumped into the end of the of the counter, and just so happened to be that's where the Bio Boost was. I even went to a store employee and asked her to punch it in the register, and she told me they didn't even sell this item. So when they tell you they don't sell something, guys, still look for it. And especially because this is a freebie, I found it at the end of the aisle. It was like on a cardboard display at the end of the aisle where the toilet paper and the paper towels and tissues were. So mine was aisle 19. I'll put the picture up. And maybe your Walmart is situated the same as mine, and maybe you can find it there. But guys, if you can find it, grab it. It is a money maker. It is a 1-cent money maker. It's free. I tried it. I like it. I'm not a big fan of energy drinks, but it has a cool taste. I like this, so I'm getting it again. Let's move on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so I'm at our next deal, and our next deal is where you get 3 American greeting cards and you get $3 back. So I've done this deal 1,000,001 times. I think this is probably my 6th time doing this deal. They just keep giving it to me over and over again. So I just keep getting more cards over and over again. So I have all the cards that I need for the rest of the year. I have graduation, I have Mother's Day, I have Christmas, I have birthday, I have thank you. So guys, stock up, because that is the little money that you spend here and there that you don't realize that you could be saving. So if you still have this deal in your Ibotta rebate, hurry up and do it, because I think there's only like 20 hours left to get this deal done. So you can grab 47-cent cards, or you can grab 97-cent cards. If you grab the 47-cent cards, then it'll be a money maker for you. But if you grab the 97-cent cards, then you'll make like maybe 9 cents. I always grab the 97-cent cards because those are the better cards. But just make sure that you scan each and every card to make sure that it is part of the deal. Okay, guys, so I have my cards picked out. As I said, make sure that you check them. I end up getting 2 97-cent cards and 1 47-cent card. So off to our next deal. Okay, guys, so we're at our next deal, and you guys know every time we're out, I always got to pick up a snack. So I'm going to grab my favorite candy again, which are these Mambos, and they are buy one, get one, so they're $1.08. But as you can see, we're going to use that rebate from Ibotta, and we're just going to pay $1.08 for 2 of them. Okay, guys, so we are at another deal, and this deal is going to be on the Light Days panty liners that I'm going to get. They're $2.97, and I have this printable coupon that I printed off of coupons.com. So at the register, we're only going to pay $1.97, but I'm going to submit this to Ibotta, and I'm going to get another $1 off, and then I'm also going to submit it to Fetch and get even more off. Now with Ibotta, you can do this deal 3 times, so I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 of these, put them in my cart, and move to the next deal. Okay, guys, so I'm going to grab this last deal. The last deal is going to be on the 2-in-1 hair and body wash, and it is priced at $1.88. But I have this $1.50 coupon, so that's going to take it down to 38 cents at the register. And I'm going to submit it to Fetch and get some more back. So I'd say that's a great deal to grab. And I'm actually going to grab 2 of them. And I'm going to head up to the register. Okay, guys, so just to let you know, I end up getting 2 47-cent greeting cards and a 97-cent greeting card. So that's going to make my out-of-pocket even lower. And I didn't do the soft scrub deal because they were priced at $1 something, but when I rang them up, they were priced at $3 something. So I'm not getting those. That's not a good deal to me. If they were $1 something, then yes, they would have been a good deal, but it's not a good deal. So we're going to set those to the side. So my total before coupons is $26.34. Okay, guys, so the coupons that I'm using are 2 of the $1.50s for the swab. I'm using 3 for the Kotex, and then 1 coupon for the cereal. So after I scan my coupons, my total is $19.16. So I'll print out my receipt, we'll go over it, and then I will submit my receipt to Ibotta and Fetch, and then we will subtract that, and then that will give you the true out of pocket. Okay, guys, so I'm back from the store. I've submitted my receipt to Ibotta and to Fetch. So you are going to be pleasantly surprised when you see what our out-of-pocket really is. So here's my receipt. My total in the store was $19.16. It was $19.16 was the tax. So you guys know I never include the tax because tax can vary from state to state, city to city, borough to borough, town to town. So I don't like to include tax because everyone's is different. So my total was $19 before tax. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. And I can show you my rebates that I got. I got the Bio Boost for $1.99. I got the $3 back for the U by Kotex because I bought 3 of those. I got the $1.08 for the Mamba Fruit Chews. And I got a surprise rebate of 10 cents for any bag candy that actually attached to the Mamba candy. So that was a surprise, nice surprise. Although it was only 10 cents, it brings me closer to my midweek bonus. I got the $3 back for the greeting cards, which you guys know that was a moneymaker because I got 1 greeting card that was 97 cents and 2 that were 47 cents. So definitely a moneymaker to help pay for other things, especially the Cheerios. So I got 2 of the multi-grain Cheerios, and that came to $2, which is a total of $11.17. When you take that away from the $19 that I spent, then that comes to $7.83 out of pocket. But you guys know we're not done. We still have some rebates to redeem. So next, I submitted my receipt to Fetch. And here you can see I got back $1.99 from Fetch. I got back money for the panty liners. I got money back for the Cheerios. And I got money back for the Suave shampoo and body wash. So that was $1.99. If you subtract that from the $7.83, then our true out-of-pocket was $5.84. So I got a total of 13 items. So I paid about 45 cents per item. So guys, go out, get your shop on at Walmart. Make sure you download Ibotta. Make sure you download Fetch. I put the links in the comment as well as in the description box. Here's my codes. I also put the codes in the link in the description box. And remember, with Fetch, you want to scan each and every receipt that you get, no matter where it's from. If it's from a convenience store, a restaurant, every time you scan a receipt, you get at least 25 points. And there's special bonuses and things. So that's how I was able to get so many points the other day when I did the Huggies. I don't know if you guys watched that video, but I'll put the link in the comments and the description box also for the Huggies. But I ended up getting like $14 back for buying five bags of Huggies, guys. And you use those points to buy gift cards at stores that you shop at. So you can buy a gift card at Walmart, for CVS. And they're e-gift cards, so you could use them right away. Or you can give them away as gifts. Totally up to you. And then as far as the rebates that you get back from Ibotta, you can have that money deposited right into your bank account. You can send it to Venmo if you have that. You can send it to PayPal. And you can use that money to continue to coupon. That's what I do. Or again, you can buy gift cards. And again, they're e-gift cards and you can use them right away. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know what deals you plan on doing. If you've already done some of the deals, let me know how they turned out. And as always, until next time, keep on saving.